Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario Bros. On your Nintendo Switch. First, ensure your console is connected to the internet and you have an active Nintendo Switch Online membership. From the home screen, open the Nintendo Entertainment System Nintendo Switch Online application. Inside, you'll find a library of classic games. Simply select Super Mario Bros. To launch the game and start your adventure. It's a straightforward process to jump into this timeless classic. Now, let's cover the basic controls for Super Mario Bros. On your Switch, you'll use the left joystick or the D-pad to move Mario in either direction. To make Mario jump, simply press the B button. This is crucial for clearing gaps and avoiding Goombas. If you want to run faster and achieve longer jumps, hold down the A button while moving. Mastering these three simple actions is key to navigating the Mushroom Kingdom effectively. Understanding power-ups and enemies is vital for success. When Mario collects a Super Mushroom, he grows into Super Mario, allowing him to take one hit without losing a life. Finding a Fire Flower transforms him into Fire Mario, enabling him to throw fireballs by pressing the A button. Be wary of common enemies like Goombas, which walk slowly, and Koopa Troopas, who can be stomped or kicked. Knowing these elements will greatly improve your gameplay. Your ultimate objective in Super Mario Bros. Is to rescue Princess Peach from the clutches of the formidable King Bowser. You'll journey through 8 distinct worlds, each containing 4 challenging levels. Look out for hidden blocks that might contain coins or power-ups. Also, keep an eye open for secret warp pipes. These can transport you to later worlds, saving you valuable time and effort. Good luck on your quest to save the princess.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.